Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your NOKIA 1.3, at the first you have to go for the settings, then go for the apps and notifications, select advanced and move for the permission manager. When we are here, we can choose one of the following options. I will change the location info. So here we got apps that are allowed all the time, only when we're using, and other are denied. So if you want to grant permission, you are choosing application and then picking one of the following options. And as you can see, after that they are going to be moved right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!